Welcome to the sweet English class. Here I'm back with a new topic. Today we are going to learn about something different. Let's see what is it all about. Yes, it is travel plans. See this picture. Here you can see various means of transport. Why do we use this means of transport? To visit various places which we would all love to see. We spend most of our days in our school. So when we have vacation, we go to various places. Here, during summer vacation or during short holidays, we would like to visit various places. So here, I have a poem for you all. I like to do something different. Let's see what it is all about. Here, children, first I will recite the poem to you all and later I will explain to you all stanza wise. Okay, here I go. If you could go anywhere, where would you go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. If you could go anywhere that you could wish. If I could go anywhere, here's what I would do. I would pop in a pouch of a kind kangaroo. I would travel around for as long as I please, and I would learn to say thank you in kangaroosy. I would go through the hole of a needle-like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. I would skate on an ice cube. I would swim in a glass. I would ride on a grasshopper if one should pass. And when I got tired of being so small, I would abracadabra myself to be tall. I would step over oceans, I would step over seas. I would cause a few shipwrecks if I had to sneeze. I would pat a giraffe on the top of his head. I would find out for sure if the North Pole was red. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into. Let's see what is in the first stanza. If you could go anywhere, where would you go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow. So here, children, the poet is asking a question to us. During vacation, where would you all like to go? So he's asking, would you like to go deep in the jungle? Deep in the snow? Or would you like to go deep in the ocean to talk to a fish? If you could go anywhere that you could wish. So he's asking your wishes. He's asking, would you like to do such things? But here, the poet wishes something different. He wants to do something strange things. Let's see what he wants, what he is thinking of doing during summer vacation in the next stanza. Yes, children, if you could go anywhere, here's what I would do. I would pop in a pouch of a kind kangaroo. Now the poet is saying, if I wanted to go during summer vacation anywhere, I want to go and pop in a pouch of a kind kangaroo. Pouch means pocket. It is a pocket. See, can you see a pocket like the where the kangaroo keeps its baby over there? So, but here the poet wants to sit in that pouch and he wants to travel around for as long as I please, he says. So he wants to satisfy as much as long he wants to move around and sit in the pouch of a kangaroo, and he wanted to go round and round. Once he is very happy moving around, he would like to learn to say thank you in kangaroosy. He would like to say in a kangaroosy language, thank you to kangaroo for taking him on a long ride. Dear children, did you all understand? So let's move on to the next stanza. What else this poet wants to do? Let us see. Yes, dear children. He's saying now, I could go through the hole of a needle like thread. Can you go into the hole of a needle, dear children? But the poet wishes that he would like to go into the hole of a needle like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. Now what is a point? Top. Top means baura bol rahe na hum log. So he want to just rotate like a top on the point of his head. You can see in that picture. Then he want to skate on an ice cube, a small ice cube. Can you skate on an ice cube? Is it not possible? Isn't it? But the poet wants to do that. He also wants to swim in the glass. Can we jump inside the glass? No, it's not possible, isn't it? But he wants to do something very strange things. And later on, he would like to ride on a grasshopper. Can you all go on and sit on the grasshopper? But he would like to sit on a grasshopper and he want to go around. He want to go. So can you see that picture? How wonderful it is. So he wants to sit on the grasshopper and go around. Okay. Now in the next stanza, what he wants to do? Let's see. Yes. Yeah. And when I got tired of being so small, now he wants to do some magic word. He wants to use a magic word and he wants to become very tall. He wants to use a magic word. I would abracadabra myself to be tall. And what he wants to do after becoming tall, he wanted to, I would step over oceans. He wants to step over the oceans and step over the seas. And he wanted to cause a few shipwrecks. What do you mean by shipwreck? It means he wanted to destroy, means he wanted to sink the ship when he would sneeze. When he sneezes, he wanted the ship to just go into the water. And then later on, he wanted to pat a giraffe on the top of his head. Can you tap? No, it has to bend, but he wants to become so tall that he wanted to tap the giraffe on the head. And he wanted to find out for sure if the North Pole was red. And when he had seen all that he wanted to see, he was so happy. What and all he wanted to do, he was so happy after finishing that. And he's telling, you know what he's saying? He wanted to know. Baba, I wanted to know. I want to hope that I know the magic word which I used to come back into me. Did you all understand the poem, children? And you know who is the poet here? Let's see who is the poet. And the poet's name is Bobby Katz. He wanted to do something strange, something different. So here is the poem, which was a wonderful poem, Travel Plans. I think you all might have understood the poem. So I would like you all to memorize the poem Travel Plans and write it in your English notebook. Okay, dear children, I will be back with a new topic in the next video. Till then, see you all. Bye. Thank you.